Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is letter I. Letter I. I comes after H. I comes after letter H. This is capital I. This is letter I in capitals. This is small I. This is small I. I sounds E. I sounds E. I, E, igloo. I, E, igloo. I says E as in igloo. I, E, ink pen. I, E, ink pen. I, E, insect. I, E, insect. I, E, India. I, E, India. Let us understand how to write letter I. First, we will start with capital I. Make a standing line from the top to the bottom. Make a standing line like this. Make a sleeping line like this. Yes, from the left to right, make a sleeping line. Then, in the middle of the sleeping line, then again make a sleeping line. Make a sleeping line like this. Yes, that's how you can get a capital I. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. This is capital I. Now, let us understand how to write small I. You just have to make a small standing line like this. Top to bottom, small standing line. And then a dot. A dot on the top of the I. This is letter I, which sounds E. I, E. That's all students for the concept of letter I.